everyone. So today we had the opportunity to host among us a very eminent personality who is a director in mergers and acquisitions at Deloitte. So here we introduce you all Neha Gupta ma'am. First of all ma'am, thank you so much for coming to DAC today and guiding us. Ma'am, how do you feel like coming to DAC today in our campus?
So first of all, very different experience for me because I have been part of panels and the programs etc. that you guys organize, but coming for a lecture, this is first experience for me, and it was like getting back to your childhood days where we were part of the classroom. It was excellent, and every student, I would say, in the class was so much more interestingly listening to the conversation and contributing. That was the best part of it.
Ma'am, looking at our batch today, the way you interacted, we also enjoyed very much learning from you. Ma'am, any feedbacks you would like to give to our batch on how we can improve and get ourselves ready for the corporate world?
I would say that now we are into the world where everything is so practical based, application based. So don't just stick to textbook, come out of it, try to see how all of these things that you're learning etc are being utilized in the real life. Do more and more of trainings, internship, workshops, meet people, interact with people, read a lot, read newspaper, read about companies, what's happening. These things are the way to go in the world to come, and it's going to take you places.
Ma'am, since you know that ours is a pioneer batch, so ma'am, how do you see business analytics being useful as a course for getting ready the students to be future professionals in the corporate world tomorrow? How is it relevant?
That's the next big thing. I mean, not just students. I mean, we at consulting in consulting organization or corporates are all going gung-ho about it. I mean, we've all understood the significance and importance and how it's going to change and shape the world. So no, the course is clearly a very significant one, and I was very surprised and amazed to see that Delhi School of Economics has gotten the specialized batches where you all are being trained for analytics. It was excellent. Maybe what can help you is probably a tie with a global university, etc. on a student exchange program where you can also understand how these things are shaping up in other parts of the world, and probably picking up the best practices can help you.
Okay, thank you ma'am so much for your
Thank
advice,
you.
and also thank you for taking out your time
Most
to be with us
welcome.
today, and we will remember your advice ma'am, and we will take care that we follow them. Thank you so much ma'am.
I just loved every part of it, and I loved being here. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much ma'am.